Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, January 14th, 2013. Well, a change of trend today, and the candle has made a lower high and a lower low. Previous day's trading we had a small bodied candle, very similar to a hanging man type pattern, very small body however, more of a doji type candle, and that did suggest that there was potential for a change of trend because of the size of the small body, and compared to the previous body where we had the buyers strongly in control, it meant a great loss of momentum by the buyers. That loss of momentum by the buyers today has resulted in the market changing trend, with the candle has made a lower high and a lower low. Now, just looking at this candle, however, it is itself a small body candle, and that does suggest that the sellers don't have any strong momentum to the downside based on the open and the close, but the sellers really are in the ascendancy in net terms between the open and the close for the trading day, so they've made some net bearish progress, only a small amount. The important thing here, however, is the large shadow on the bottom of this candle, and this represents downside price rejection, and especially from the previous support and resistance level at 1470, and for the previous day's trading the market found support down below there as well, so it is a very important level. Also, looking at where the market closed, it closed up towards the high, and this suggests that even though the trend has changed to the downside, the sellers have failed to take control of this market, and it does raise some doubt about the continuation of this trend to the downside. Looking at potential resistance overhead, the market really found the level around 1474 as quite a strong level, a major swing high here in the recent past, and the market did have trouble rallying for the previous day's trading, and again trouble testing up to that level, but also, as I've mentioned, this 1470 level roughly, another swing high in the recent past, where the market is now finding some support, so that will be an important level moving forward. If this trend does continue down, there is some minor potential support at the previous resistance level at this swing high around 1468, and then a stronger level down around the 1457 area, where we saw that area tested on 1, 2, 3, 4 occasions, and we saw buying coming in, so that will be an important level moving forward. Now just moving to the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining the relationship of the current first time frame downtrend to the previous time the market was trending down, and here we've seen rejection from the important 38.2% level. So the market traded through the 23.6 and just through the 38.2% has been rejected to the upside from there, and it does set the market up for a potential change of trend to the upside. With the Fibonacci retracement of the prior uptrend, we've seen the market test almost to the 38.2% level again with this, traded through the 23.6, and we're seeing rejection. So the sellers certainly aren't supporting this trend to the downside. The market is interacting with some important Fibonacci levels. There is good potential for this market to change trend back to the upside. In terms of Ichimoku, this market remains positive in all three time frames. The market's trading above the cloud, so we have a bullish market in the long term time frame, trading above the Kijun-sen, so we're bullish in the medium term time frame, and above the Tenkan-sen, so bullish in the short term time frame. One thing to watch for is that the Kijun-sen is pointing flat, so price action tends to be attracted back towards a flat Kijun-sen, so we do need to be aware of that, and we saw that happen today. So there is a possibility for this trend to continue down, and let's be aware of that. So the low of this current candle becomes important for a potential lower high and lower low, but we do have very strong support down just below here around this 1457 level. With the sellers not supporting this change of trend to the downside and the interaction with the Fibonacci ratios, the likelihood is that this market will change trend, however, but certainly the resistance area around this 1474 level will be very important. If we do see solid bullish trading early in this market up above the high from today, then there will be good potential for the market to trade up above that level, and then potentially trade up to around the 1500 round number area. There's no major resistance for this market after this 1474 level, so a good bullish showing could see the market trade quickly up to 1500 over the next week or two.